Yep, here comes the wind. We're on our last hour of the hurricane, I think. It's been going nonstop for probably about 7 hours so far. So we're ready for the end of this thing to come. It's been a long 7 hours of heavy, nonstop torrential kind of rain. You can see everything kind of flying through the air right now, and that is a nasty wind out there. Temperature-wise, not bad. It feels like it's in the 70s. It's a good temperature. Still shorts weather, but that's all right. It's nice out. So we're just able to sit right here and get the door open and just kind of watch the hurricane as we're just sitting here. It's a good storm, but we are very safe. God has protected us. Power went out for about 20 seconds at one time. That's all we've had for power outage. And there's Diana.
Who are you talking to?